Class, we learned a new suffix today, so we'll go to our prefixes and suffixes page, which is 33, page 33. All right, and since it's not a prefix, it's a suffix. Wait, where does a prefix go? All right, good. A prefix goes in front of our base word. Where does a suffix go? Good. A suffix is an ending. All right. So we only have two suffixes here so far. We know a couple more, right? We know ing and we know our edit, but we just haven't put them on here. All right, the new one that we learned, we put it at the end of store to make a new word. What was that vowel suffix? Good, it was age. Well, we say edge, but we say age to spell it. So in that first column where it says suffix, go ahead and add age. Ooh, which j is it? Good, g-j. All right. Now, I was trying to think about if there were other words that use the suffix. There must be other words. I was thinking maybe the word manage uses this suffix too. And I bet there's some more, but let's just take our example of storage. So the meaning when we say store edge or storage, it's a place to store. All right, so I'm gonna just put little quotation marks there and try and smash in a place to store. Because at least in storage, that's what it means, right? Storage is a place to store. All right, our example will put storage, which, how do we say storage to spell it? Good, storage, storage. That word's kind of tricky. I would probably do it on my practice paper first because it's a two-way word, and then there's that rule where what do we have to do to that silent final E? Good, we have to drop it. All right, class, what's my first syllable in storage? Good, store. Oh, but that has a silent final E. What am I going to do to that silent final E before I add my vowel suffix age? Good, I need to drop it. What's my second syllable in store age? Good, age. All right, and let's make sure we had all the markings. There's a lot of markings in this one. Let's see. All right, so I'm hoping we did that on our practice paper first in case we weren't 100% sure. All right, so now we'll go ahead and write it in here. Stower. Age. All right. Let's see. Now, so that means since our base word store, since it has a silent final E, job 1, any vowel suffix that we want to add to it, we're going to have to do what to that silent final E? Good, we're going to have to drop it. All right, so let's go to page 21. Right, remember, so anytime we have words that end with a silent final E, when we're adding a vowel suffix, we leave off the E or we drop it. So I'm going to start by going down to the bottom and adding our vowel suffix age to our list of vowel suffixes that we have. All right, but since we already did storage, let's do some more, let's add some different vowel suffixes. So let's start by writing our base word store, stower, how we have to say it to spell it. So, silent final E, job 1. Okay. I know I didn't do the thinking cap before. I probably should have. All right, now let's write the word storing. All right, I am storing my bike in the garage. Storing. All right, so what's our first syllable going to be in storing? Good, at store, are we going to write the silent final E? You're right, we sure aren't going to write it. So go ahead and write that base word without the silent final E. And then we'll add our vowel suffix. What's our vowel suffix? Good, ing. All right, now let's add another vowel suffix. Let's do the word stored. Oh, how many syllables are in stored? Show me. Just one. Right, remember, edit does not always get its own syllable. It only gets its own syllable when it's saying its first sound, ed. D or t, it doesn't. And stored must be saying its second or third sound. All right, so once again, we'll start with writing our base word store. Are you going to write that silent final E, job 1? Nope. All right, so just write store without that silent final E, and then add our vowel suffix. What vowel suffix are we adding? Good. Ed, d, t, past tense ending. Class, how am I going to mark this? All right, it needs an underline and a 2, because right, d is its second sound. All right. Let's see, that is, ooh. All right. Well, I'd like us to practice one of our other suffix rules, but I also want us to get the pages in the notebook. So Friday, when we have our quiz, we'll practice another one of our suffix rules because we have a word that goes with it. But for now, let's go ahead to page 50 and get these words in our notebook. So bottom left-hand section, L-7. All right, our first word is age. Class, write it and mark it. All right, pause the video till you're done. Age. All right, our next word is store edge, but how do we say it to spell it? Good, we say store age. Store age. What's the first syllable? Good, store, but don't write that. What are you going to leave off? Good, silent final E, job 1. And then what's the second syllable? Good, age is how we say it to spell it. E, job 1. All right, our next word is chop. Chop. It's not anything we have to remember for that one. All right, our next word is saw. Which aw do we use in saw? Good, aw that we do use at the end of English words. Oh. All right, our next word is hammer. How do we say hammer to spell it, class? All right, we say hammer. Say that with me one more time. Hammer. Good. Say it while you write it. Hammer. All right, our next word is pound. Which ow do we use in pound? Good, we use ow, oh, ooh, Say it while you write it. Ow. All right, our last word is axe. Class, axe. What do we have to put at the end of axe? We need to put a silent final E, job 6. All right, write it and mark it. Silent final E, job 6. All right, class, nice work today. We didn't get to sentences. We'll do some tomorrow and Friday. All right, have a great day.